Berhenti satu detik, saya mau video ya.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got most of the internals here done. We still have to put side pieces all along here. But right now they're working on putting the support beams up here. They've got to cut out a lot more. But while we were working on that, we needed to take out the windows. You can see there's a lot of rust and dirt and garbage in here. We've got to clean this out and probably replace some of this metal, especially this here. But while we're working on it, we might as well get it done well. The problem is the water was getting up into the windows and then rusting out this metal, and in some cases getting through these posts, water getting in here, not being able to get out. So when we build this, we got to make sure there's at least some holes just in case in the future we get some more water in here. But I do want to seal it up properly, but these need really cleaned out, and this frame needs to come out probably. But you can see all this ugly metal. We're just making it better. We got to sand all this and prime it with anti-rust paint. Anyway, it's evening time. A lot has happened, and anyway, we got progress. All right, thank you, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ajari saya bahasa Inggris. Ajari saya bahasa Inggris. Ajari saya bahasa Inggris.
I don't understand you.
Hah?
I don't know what you're saying.
Nggak ngerti.
Saya mau besi di bawah itu.
Ini di bawah gini?
Ya.
Tapi kok gini bagus lagi. Oke.
Saya sudah bilang satu biji ikut semua ke sana ya.
Sorry, Mister. Saya salah. Apa Mister?
Bersih ini semua ya. Okay, we're checking on the progress. It's raining just gently sprinkling, I guess. I think he's taking this off and put it back maybe. I had him change the position to be under the supports, so it makes this floor under the supports stronger. And so he's cleaned up quite a bit of this. Cleaned up the ground here. Looks like he's taking a break.
Dia siap.
Siap?
Siap jam 4.
Dia mau pulang?
Dia siap kerja.
Hah?
Dia siap kerja jam 4.
Jam 4 ya? Oke, dia mau pulang sekarang atau tidur lama?
Tidur aja.
Oke.
Nggak ada kanggo. Apa sih yang jadi kanggo?
So anyway, the idea is to strengthen up the floor here under the supports. Cutting out all the bad metal. You can see a lot of it's already cut out. But they're going to be doing the uprights. We already got the new metal here, the 30 millimeter angle iron. The 40 was just too wide to fit in between the channels here. So we had some already, but we needed more, so picked up some more. So all of these will be replaced with strong supports. So anyway, it's a little bit of a process. We got As you can see, we got all the windows out that we need to get out. And they're cutting out all the bad metal. The tops, well, mainly finished. It's gonna have a lot of side support going along this top edge and then pieces coming up to match with the rest. Anyway, taking a little look here. I gotta cut all the bad stuff out here. So, gotta be thorough, don't want to have to do this multiple times. So, well, that's the update. Our pile of junk metal's getting a little bigger. Anyway, they said that he's finished at 4 o'clock, so, and he's taking a nap now. Anyway, our tofu business is a little bit on hold. Man, these workers just leave their garbage everywhere. Anyway, the stainless steel, unfortunately here, the stuff we got is not really good condition, but we'll just use it as we can. I don't know how to weld stainless steel, and as you can see, it turned out really bad. Not mostly my fault. I was teaching someone else how to do it, and they didn't do such a good job after I left. Sometimes when people are in a hurry, they don't do the best job, and so now we got this really ugly job here, and I'm not sure how to fix it. Probably the best thing to do is cut it off, clean it up, and shorten this back wall and do it again. I think that'll work okay. So, but even the front here, I've tried multiple times to get this good, and just the quality of stainless and maybe just the idea of working with stainless isn't so good. More technical or something, but I had flux core specifically designed for stainless steel. All this trash should have been taken out yesterday. I'll have him take it out. Anyway, progress. Make little mistakes here and there and have to fix them again.
Hah? Ngapain?
Video.
Apa?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Ish, apa nama channelnya?
Ya nanti ya saya.
Nama channelnya Mr. apa?
Huh?
Nama channelnya?
Ya nanti ya.
Oke.
Yeah. He doesn't have a phone anyway, so he
Saya
can't look at.
subscribe,
Yeah.
like.
Yeah. Betul.
Aku nggak punya handphone kok.
Ya.
Mana? Subscribe ya?
Tamanmu ya.
Hah?
Tamanmu. Yeah, he's saying he doesn't have a phone, so he can't even look at the channel. So. Anyway, I'll probably end this for now. But making progress, but it's not extremely visible at the moment. But I think tomorrow, I think we'll have a huge thing going on, and all these supports should be changed out. So, all right, bye.